Good morning, math lovers. It is 22 past 7 Jakarta time. What a beautiful day to do small research about prime numbers. More specific, prime gap. Have you heard of it? As of April 2022, the largest known prime gap with an identified probable prime gap ends has length 7 million. The prime gap is the difference between two successive or two consecutive prime numbers. The prime gap data on April 2022 is still probable. There is no data of two consecutive prime numbers that need to be checked. The exact known of prime gaps is only 80 based on Wikipedia so far. However, it is widely believed that there are much larger prime gaps out there, and this is an active area of research in number theory. The same data collection from Professor Chris Caldwell, Table of Known Maximal Gaps, as you can see it. The largest exactly known prime gaps is 1550, before this video was made. Prime gaps have been a topic of study in number theory for many years, and much progress has been made in understanding their properties and behavior. Some of the most famous results in this area include the work of Yitong Shang, who proved in 2013 that there are infinitely many prime gaps of size less than 70 million. And the subsequent work of James Maynard and Terence Tao, who improved this bound to 246 in 2014. There are several websites that offer online tools for checking whether a number is prime or not. We use Number Empire. This website offers a variety of online math tools, including a prime number checker. Simply enter the number you want to check into the box on the home page and click Check. The accuracy is undoubtable. For arithmetic calculation of big numbers, we can use calculator.net. A big number calculator can prove the prime gap for the larger digit of two consecutive primes. These online tools are freely accessible, so you can do your own research, especially for big prime numbers. In addition to using online tools, we will use the Python programming language to test prime numbers and the difference between two prime numbers. The variables in this Python program simply convert two natural numbers as a range. The main function of this program is to find the largest prime difference between two natural numbers. Just click the Run icon to run the program. As you can see, the execution of Python programs is very fast, and the results are the same as online tools. Before proceeding to our main research, we need to test the Python program once again to ensure accountability and comparison of the final results with proven data from Wikipedia tables. There is a hypothesis from Widodo: the bigger the number, the greater the chance of finding a larger prime gap. However, finding a prime gap greater than 1550 is not as easy and fast as we thought. It takes longer even if you use a high-speed computer and a robust programming language. This is our main research. Our target is to find the latest prime gap data that is greater than 1550. We randomly type a large natural number of about 75 digits, which is 55 digits more than the currently known prime gap. We set the difference between these two natural numbers to only 10,000 so that we can get results as quickly as possible. If the target is still not reached, we can replace the random number. Wow! An amazing thing happened. A new record has been discovered. The largest known prime gap is now 1694. Although this value is not a sequential prime gap after 1550, we have actually found two consecutive prime numbers with a larger prime gap. We continue to carry out the inspection process using online tools to prove completely and comprehensively that the results obtained are valid. If you have questions related to this prime gap research method, please consult via email with.labs.apps.developer@gmail.com.
We'll keep trying this experiment, and perhaps by the time you watch this video, we'll have found an even bigger prime gap. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe.